Are you looking for the best impact drivers in your budget? Well, in today's video we break down the top 5 best impact drivers that are available on the market. I made this list based on their price, quality, durability, and more. To find out more information about this product, you can check out the description below, and also make sure you subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. The fifth product on our list is the Black Plus Decker BDCI 20C Max Lithium Impact Driver. This is a drill and driver in one. It does a capable job of driving whatever material you are working with thanks to its 1375 N-pounds of maximum torque. It is lightweight and compact, great for contractors who need one to bring with them to their job sites. It has a quick release function and features a variable speed setting of 0 to 3000 revolutions per minute and 0-39,000 BPM. This is also a mid-range impact driver when it comes to price, so it should not cost you too much money to acquire. One of its best features is its powerful battery. It does carry a lot of power, so there is no need to keep on recharging it to accomplish the work you need to do. It also works effortlessly in drilling screws, bolts, and nuts, even with more demanding jobs. This is a force to be reckoned with. A trigger switch turns on an internal light that makes it easier to see what you are doing. It has a compact and lightweight design that makes this easier to work with for prolonged hours. You never have to worry that it will cause you a hand strain. Because it is lightweight, it is also easy to maneuver and get into those tight spaces and corners. Up next in the fourth place is the dewalt 20V Max Cordless Drill and Impact Driver. With this kit, you are getting a drill driver and an impact driver. You can save more money by opting for this kit instead of buying them separately. Both tools feature an ergonomic and lightweight design that will suit the needs of the average contractor or avid hand. The one-handed bit loading is a nifty feature as it allows you to replace and change bits without taking so much time to do so. It also features a motor power that has 300 unit watts, thereby allowing you to get multiple jobs done. We like how ergonomic the design is. It is easy to hold and does not strain the wrists or hands even when using it for a long time. It even has a hex chuck system that easily loads with just one hand. Since it is compact, it can be used in tighter spaces. It has an LED light that makes it easier to see what you are working on. The lights are positioned strategically so no shadows are cast over your work table. The power is commendable. It does have a good driving force, so you can work with any material you choose. It comes with a storage bag. You can easily pack up once you are done with your work. Customer service responds to issues promptly. Those who have had issues with their impact driver escalated their concerns to the company's customer service and got their issues resolved quickly. The third product on our list is the Makita XDT16Z18VLXT Lithium-Ion Brushless Cordless 4-Speed Impact Driver. The Makita XDT16Z is one of the best cordless impact drivers on the market. This is not the cheapest impact driver on the market, but its price reflects in its performance. It comes with a very powerful brushless motor that delivers great speed. It is reliable and it comes with a variety of adjustable features. This unit comes with 4 different speed ranges, which is twice as much as the average impact driver. However, all ranges may seem a little bit high, but the maximum speed is 3,600 rotations per minute. To gain more control over the tool, you can adjust the number of impacts per minute in the 4-speed range. It also offers a maximum IPM speed of 3,800. The power and speed selector is also very easy to reach, as they are situated under the chuck or collet. This unit also delivers up to 1,600 N-pounds of torque. It also comes with an auto stop feature, which comes in handy when you are loosening fasteners. The ergonomic grip design also makes it very easy and convenient to handle. The overall build quality is great, and the trigger is comfortably and conveniently positioned. Of the most outstanding features of this unit is its inbuilt assistance, which is called the mode. This feature helps to prevent cross-threading by reducing the rotations per minute until it senses that the tightening has begun. The quick shift mode of this unit uses the electronic controls of the brushless motor to find the perfect balance of torque and speed for every application. This provides you with more efficient fastening. The charger is pretty fast, delivering up to 3x faster charging. The battery also delivers up to 50% more runtime for efficient power management. This unit comes with star protection controls. The downside to this unit is that it is on the higher end of the price spectrum for DIYers and homeowners. Second on our list is the Porter Cable 20V Max Impact Driver Kit. The next impact driver on our list is the Porter Cable PCCK 640LB Cordless Impact Driver. This is a powerful driver and it makes working with difficult materials much easier. It is capable of putting out sheer power, and you can use it to handle a wide range of different projects. One of the major selling points of this device is its compact and lightweight design. This unit weighs only 3 pounds, making it very easy to work with. The design of the tool also allows you to use it in tight spaces to further increase the comfort and ease of use. This unit comes with an ergonomically designed grip. With this comfortable grip, you can use this tool to work for hours without feeling fatigue. This cordless impact driver comes with a 20-volt battery that delivers great power. This unit delivers up to 450 inches-pounds of torque, and this would enable you to drive your fasteners through durable and thick materials. It also comes with a variable speed setting that delivers a maximum speed of 2,900 rotations per minute, whereas the maximum BPM speed of this unit is 3,000. The battery-powered impact driver also has a battery gauge to let you know when you are running out of juice. With this unit, you can insert bits with one hand thanks to its easy load chuck. It comes with an LED work light to illuminate your work area in poor light conditions. This tool also comes with a number 2 Phillips head screw driving bit for efficient fastening. This powerful impact driver makes it easier to work on sturdy materials, and it is ideal for heavy-duty tasks. Finally, the top product on our list is the dewalt 20V Max Impact Driver Kit. If you are looking for a lightweight, yet powerful impact driver that you can use to handle a wide range of projects, you should consider the dewalt DCF 885C1. This is an impressive tool and it delivers great performance. With its sheer power and ease of use, you will be able to get a good amount of work done. This unit generates up to 400 inches divided by pounds of torque. It also delivers a variable speed control with a speed range from 0 to 2,800 rotations per minute. This impressive impact tool is built to last and it is going to serve you for years. Interestingly, with all these great features, this tool is still lightweight and not bulky. The whole tool weighs only about 3 pounds for optimal comfort while working. This tool comes with a comfortable ergonomic design. With the design of this unit, you can use it to work for several hours without feeling fatigue. You can also use this impact driver to work during late hours or in dark areas, thanks to its inbuilt LED lights. This cordless impact driver comes with a 20V battery that delivers extended run time. It has a 0.25 inches hex chuck and it accepts 1-inch bit tips. This tool is highly reliable and it comes with a 3-year warranty. The battery and charger are included in the package, which means you do not have to purchase them separately. The charger is also pretty fast, and this helps to reduce downtime. With the design of this tool, you can use it to reach tight spaces on the job site. This tool is great for heavy-duty projects, as it makes working on heavy-duty materials an easy task. Hence, if you are looking for the best impact driver that delivers great power, this is one of the best options to consider. Thanks for watching, and that's all for now. I hope to see you guys in the next video. Till next time.